Today we're going to learn how to adjust the Tefillin shel Rosh. This is the Daled on the Tefillin shel Rosh, and this is how we'll adjust it. You need something a little bit hard in order to be able to pull out those retzuot. This retzua over here is one retzua that goes this way. It goes in from here, goes back here, and goes out like a hook or like a S. It goes like a S over here, and then it comes out. So therefore, in order to change the size of it, you'll have to pull out from both sides. Again, demonstration again. You pull out from one side and the other side. Now, it depends if you want it bigger or smaller. If you need it tighter, so that means you'll have to pull out from the strap around the head and adjust, bring back, and pull back, make it tight. If you need to make it bigger, again, you pull out those two things, the retzuot from both sides. You pull this one from here, as much as needed. And then, when you feel that you pulled enough, you pull it back, you strengthen it. If you find that is too hard to do for some reason, it's too tight, you can loosen this retzua from here. And now, you'll have some more room on this. So again, this goes this way. It goes from here. That's the retzua. Goes back, makes a U-turn. Gets here, makes another U-turn, and goes back here. So you're playing around with these two. This one, if needed, again, you could loosen up, like I showed, just to be able to have it easier with this. When you're done, put it to the right size that you decided. You tighten everything back so you don't have anything loose. Very important, when one does such a thing, to say beforehand, Leshem Kedushat Tefillin. And this way, you'll be able afterwards to adjust correctly.